And we're back with another live stream video. We're back with another live stream video. You know I gotta give you the word for today. Psalm 20, verse 4. May he grant your heart's desires and make all your plans succeed. Very powerful scripture. Very powerful scripture. Now, let's get to this. Get to the charts. Hit that like, hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that like and subscribe button. Again, hit that like and subscribe button. I don't trade Sundays and Mondays. I don't like to trade Sundays and Mondays because the market hasn't set yet. I start on Tuesday, so you got to be disciplined. You got to know when your trading days. When to trade, when not to trade. Every day is not a trading day. Again, every day is not a trading day. Let me repeat that again. Every day is not a trading day. For the ones who got to trade every day is not a trading day. The ones who got to just get in the market and even though they don't see they plan and structure their plan or their strategy, every day is not a trading day. You got to know when to get in and when to get out. Hit that like and subscribe button. Every day is not a trading day. So we're going to look at the market, look at some pairs. We're going to look at some pairs. Hold on. Let me see something. So I don't know why this keep on stopping. Hit that like and subscribe button. So let's start with a naked chart. Show y'all how to see. Hold on, let me see. No, wait a minute. Let's go on here. Let's go here. Move this. Let this start over. I like the markup. Sundays and Mondays you should be marking up. Go on the monthly time frame. Let's go to the monthly time frame. See it. So the higher high was here. So hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So we getting close to this 618 50 382. You don't want to be in these areas right here. These areas right here. You don't want to be in this area because it can always reverse. The 618 50 382 are reversal levels. So if you're selling, make sure if you're selling, you make sure you get it before it hits this line or this line or this line. So say for instance, let's see. So you got to watch these areas right here. This is 618 50 382. Those are Fibonacci retracement. These are Fibonacci retracement lines. So if it hit here, it could potentially reverse up and start doing some buys. So you just gotta watch these areas. Make sure you watch these areas. 618 50 382. 618 50 382. Again, 618 50 382. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So we mark this up. Right now, it's selling. But gotta watch these areas right here. Like I said, the 382, the 618, 382 to 50. So I would watch this. I wouldn't I would watch this for now and see what it do when it hit this line. It's going to reverse up or continue back, or it's going to continue to trend downward. So I will watch that. Just be observing. Got to be observing when it comes to this. Got to be very attention to detail. Got to be very attention to detail when it comes to this. Very important that you got to be very attention to detail. Type of one in chat if you can hear me. Type of one in chat if you can hear me. Type if you can hear me. It is. So gold is in a sell trend, but you gotta watch these areas right here. Gotta watch these areas. Very important. Let's look at US 30. Go to the monthly. Got to mark this up. Remark this up. Get rid of these lines. I already know it's from here. all the way down to here. Let's see. Yep. So US 30 was buying up last week. Buying up. See, this is a uptrend. But this candle, I don't like this candle right here. You don't want to trade on this candle. It was buying, potential buys, but this looks like a double bottom. This looks like a double bottom. And look, all green. I just don't like this candle right here. I don't like that little candle. But I don't trade Sundays and Mondays, so if I do, I just run bots. I don't like to trade Sundays and Mondays. Really don't like to trade Sundays and Mondays. I don't like Asian sessions. I don't like to trade Sundays and Mondays. Gotta be patient. This look like a W though. Look like a double bottom to the upside. Double bottom, and then you have the trade command, NPM trade command. NPM trade command. It said the entry was 51092.74. That's the entry. And then all the way to the it has the stop loss 50343.02. If you want to get this indicator, the link is in the description below. Again, if you want to get this indicator, the link is in the description below. Again, if you want to get this indicator, the link is in the description below. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So, US 30 potential it's in a buy trend. Gold is in the sell trend, but I will watch that 618, that 38, that 382, that 50. I will really watch that. hit that like, hit that subscribe button. If you want to get the broker that I use, the link is in the description. If you want to get the prop firm that I use, the link is in the description. I strongly suggest that you sign up with the broker. It's the first link, and you get free signals when you make a deposit. Very awesome. Get free signals when you make a deposit. Again, you get free signals when you make a deposit. Again, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like and subscribe button.
Check your bank account and your paycheck's days away. And of course, your calendar's all good news. With Chase Secure Banking, your direct deposit hits your bank account up to 2 days faster. So when your friends are like, and your bills go, you have the peace your deposit brings. And the best part, there's no monthly service fee for 17 to 24-year-olds. Thanks to Chase Secure Banking.
For Chase Secure Checking only, eligible direct deposits may be credited up to 2 business days early, depending on when the payer submits the transaction. Matter FDIC.
Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Okay, I got a announcement to make. I said it in my Telegram NPM trade room for NPM Elite Fast Track. It will go up February. It will go up Friday. That's Friday. Today is. It will go up on the 12th. So y'all better get in before it goes up. Again, it will go up on the 12th. Yesterday's price is not today's price. Again, yesterday's price is not today's price. So y'all better get in before the 12th. What you get is NPM Elite indicators. It's these 5 indicators. It's these 5 indicators. the NPM Trend Dashboard, NPM Sniper, NPM Indicator Pro. Market prediction, this red bubble telling you, predicting that this could go down. It's NPM RSI divergency. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This with the NPM Indicator Pro has this red background, and see the clear with the EMAs. That's an indicator. That's 5 indicators that you get, and you get my VIP Telegram signals. 3 months of my VIP Telegram signals. 3 months of my NPM Academy, mentored by yours truly, me, Charrell the Forex King, and you get lifetime Venom FX bot. So you get lifetime of these indicators, lifetime of Venom FX bot. That is a steal. It's really a steal that y'all getting. So I would highly suggest you get it before the price goes up. Highly suggest you get it before Friday. If you want to get it, get in, go to the link in the description. It's going to say official website. Go to the link in the description. It's going to say NPM. So I highly suggest you get in. I also have something else coming up, as you saw on my shorts. Have something else coming up. If you want to know about that, you can always DM me. I'm gonna do something that I ain't never done before. This is gonna be amazing. It's called NPM Black Label membership. So if you're interested in that, you can always DM me and come DM me Black Label. I know which, so I'll give you more information on that. That hasn't launched, but down the road it's going to launch. I can't give you an exact date. It might be 3 months from now, it might be 6 months from now, it might be a year from now, depending on my schedule, but it will be coming soon. And this is exclusive, very exclusive for the ones who are serious about changing their lives. Only for the ones that are serious. If you're not serious about changing your life, then nah, it ain't for you. And if you're gonna complain about the cost, nah, it ain't for you. This is real value that I'm giving. And you're gonna be in the proximity of me, yours truly, Charrell the Forex King. So this is amazing, upcoming, that's coming soon. I'll let you know more details. I'll let you know, but it's in the works. So hit that like and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Also, I will say, if you're complaining about the, I have my NPM, what is it? NPM, the price about the NPM lifetime membership. You know what that is, how much that price is, that price of that. If you complain about that, then this is gonna be way, if you complain about that, then nah, you don't need this, bro. because this is real value that I'm giving. You'll be in the proximity of me. So my time but I'll give you more details soon. Just know you'll be in the proximity of me. That's all the details I can give. I can't give no more out. Probably might set a limit for that as well. Might set a limit. Probably set a limit. Today is June 8th, so hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So let's get to NAS 100. Let's get to NAS 100. So we got potential buy on US 30. So let's look at NAS 100. Ooh, 15 minute. Look at that 15 minute. It bounced off of this. But look, hold on. Let me see something. Let me see something. The monthly, nah. Monthly looking. Why did it do this? I'm gonna have to redo this. It's probably from here to here. Watch. And I'm correct. Bam. I knew I was correct. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. I know my higher low, so boom. Boom. Let's see. See, what do we have here today? What do we have here today? Got to mark up your charts Sundays and Mondays so you can be ready. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Again, stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. So you got to prepare. Give me my likes, give me my subscribe, give me my comments. Let's see. Give me my likes, give me my subscribe, give me my comments. Again, give me my likes, give me my subscribe, so give me my comments. Oh, what is that? Come on, huh? I'm about to change this because it's a little bit too. Make sure you gotta be accurate when it comes to this. Make sure you're doing it correctly. That's good.
Kroger makes it easier than ever to satisfy all your protein and fiber needs with our exclusive brands. Now you can find these extra benefits in the foods you already know and love. Snack smarter with Simple Truth Protein Salsa Verde tortilla chips. Or grab a Simple Truth Protein Energy Bar or flavored protein water when you're on the go. Stop by Kroger and discover new favorites today. Kroger, fresh for everyone.
It went down here, then it came up, and right now selling. So I wouldn't even mess with this. This is This is indecisive. This is indecisive. This is indecisive. So this NAS 100 is indecisive. Me looking at it, so I can look at it from a mile away. They tell you what it's doing. I would leave this alone. So leave this alone. And then it's Monday, so it's Monday. Let's look at Bitcoin. Oh yeah, I did mark said I was saying that was a head and shoulders. I'm gonna have to change this though. This could continue going down to the downside, down to the downside. Like I said. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I said this could potentially come down to the downside. If it breaks this line, it could continue going down to the downside. So we got a, like I said in the previous live stream, we got a head and shoulders. So Bitcoin has been going down. It's been going down, so it can continue going down. Looking at this, look at that. Could continue drop. Let me see. If I put the line right here, let's see. Might not want to go no farther than right to this tip right here. To this tip right here. Might not want to go no farther than the 49838 because in previous history repeats itself. See how this comes up. It went up like that. It just shot up like that. Want to look at previous history. Want to look to your left. Look to your left. And then what do you see? You see it went up. So even if it sells, I mean, continue selling down, it can sell, continue selling down and hit here. And this is where you got a problem right here. So you got to watch this area right here because it could potentially jump back right back up. If it do drop, it can potentially jump right back up. History repeats itself. Do everybody understand that? Does everybody understand that? It type of 1 in chat if you understand that. Type of 1 in chat if you understand that. So we'll see. Is it gonna continue dropping down? If it do, this might be. Let me see. Yeah, I'm putting a line right there. You don't want to keep. So you want to watch for these areas. Let me see. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put my what is it? You got to know price action. So you got to know price action. You got to know market structure. You can't just depend on indicators and without you knowing price action and market structure. I know price action. I know market structure. I can teach you as well more in detail if you was to get sign up with my NPM Elite Fast Track and sign up with my NPM Lifetime Membership or my NPM Academy. Either way, which way you want to go? Which way you want to go? Why is this red? Nah, bro. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna change this. Change the green. Why is not change the green? Come on. Oh. This out the way. Man, why is this not changed to green? Oh, that's why. Okay. Gotta watch this area right here. Oh, you can sell all the way down to if it do sell, you can sell all around them, but then you gotta watch this area right here. We'll see. We shall see. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. If it breaks this, it's going to continue down. This would be the next one, right? Let me see. I'm going to have to copy this. Come on. if you know supply and demand, we shall see. Supply and demand. See it all the time. It's in my reels, in my shorts. I explained it. I got a video on let me see. I explained it in my videos numerous times. Gotta know market structure. So if it breaks this, then it's going to go down here. And then this will turn into a supply zone. This will be a demand zone. So we shall see. Let me screenshot this. Okay. Gotta market areas. I used to do this when I was when I first started trading. You was taught to mark up your charts. Even I still have the indicator. You still got to mark up your charts. I still like to mark up my charts to know where I'm at, where the market structure, price action is. That's very important when it comes to trading. Got to know market structure. Got to know price action. Got to know market structure. Got to know price action. If you haven't seen my brand new video, it just came out today. It's called I passed my challenge 100K challenge on Eightcap. You can go watch that. Again, you can go watch that. You can go watch that. Pass my 100K on Eightcap. So go watch it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Give me my likes, give me my comments. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. So like I said, supply and demand. Supply and demand. I see it all the time. Gotta know market structure. Gotta know price action. Your indicators are awesome. They just an added bonus to be. Indicators are an added bonus. I know market structure. I know price action. That's very important when it comes to the trading. You gotta know market structure. Gotta know price action. Can't just depend on indicators and not know market structure and price action. I made these indicators to help y'all, but y'all also got to know price action, market structure. What is the market doing? Is it going? Is it in a sell trend? Is it in a buy trend? What is it doing? What is Bitcoin doing right now? Are we in a sell trend or are we in a buy trend? Type it in the comment. Type it in the chat. Are we in the sell trend or are we in a buy trend on Bitcoin? Gotta know your market. Gotta know market structure. Gotta know price action. That's very important. I tell y'all this all the time. I tell my students this as well. Market structure and price action is very important when it comes to these markets. Is it in a sell or is it in a buy? You see, I can tell you this right here. I know this right here. Just going up. That's a buy trend. What is this right here? What is this? What is this? What is this? Price action? That's sell trend. It's sell trend. You're in a sell trend. This is a sell trend. Type of one in the chat if you understand that. This is a sell trend. Gotta know market structure. Gotta know price action. That's very important. I tell y'all this all the time. I gotta get in my NPM Elite Fast Track. You get 3 months of NPM Academy. Get 3 months of VIP Telegram signals. You get lifetime of my indicators, not the NPM trade command, because that's monthly. This is separate. This is brand new. But you get these indicators, 5 indicators. Get 5 indicators, lifetime. And get Venom FX bot. I mean, you can get it or not get it. That's on you. You can get it or not get it, so that's on you. I'm here to help you. So, gotta know market structure, gotta know price action. I teach that in my academy. Market structure, price action is very important. Okay, let me. I'm gonna have to screenshot this. I'm gonna screenshot this and send this to my little more. Okay, move this. Okay. And then let me screenshot this. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Send this over. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button.
This message is brought to you by Apple Card. For a limited time, when you get a new Apple Card and purchase AirPods Pro 3 at Apple, you can earn back the cost, up to $250 daily cash. New AirPods Pro and up to $250.
Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I need to, since I already did, I'm gonna get rid of this. But if y'all was in my NPM Academy, I go more in detail. But let's get to this. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button.
Bonus daily cash back? Now that's music to your ears. Subject to credit approval. Limitations and spend requirements apply. Apple Card is issued by Goldman Sachs Bank USA, Salt Lake City branch. Terms and more at apple.co/AirPods.
See the MGC and NPM trade come in. See, it sends alerts. It sends alerts. As you can see, it sends alerts. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. If you want to get NPM Elite Fast Track, go to the link in the description where it says official website. Again, if you want to get NPM Elite Fast Track, go to the website. It ends, it's going to change. It's going to go up Friday. So I strongly suggest you to get it before it goes up Friday. If you want to get these NPM trade command, the link is in the description. If you want to get the broker that I use, HeroFX, go to that first link. When you deposit, you get you message me, DM me, and I'll put you in my VIP Telegram signals. Free. That's monthly, and I'm giving it to you free when you're actively trading on that account. And you gotta deposit first. Follow the requirements. Gotta follow the requirements. If you want to get the prop firms that I use, the link is in the description. Again, if you want to get the prop firms that I use, the link is in the description. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. The link is in the bio. Again, follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. The link is in the bio. This is Charrell, the Forex King. Let's